Hi everyone, my name's Carson. I'm Levitate's Product Operations Manager, and today I'll be going over some of our releases from February 2026. Our first update is with texting and text campaigns. So now when you're setting up a text automation or a text campaign, you can now access the merge field dropdown, which allows you to add magic fields into your text messages that fill the contact's name, company information, information about you, and even meeting information. So it just makes it a lot easier to build out a text campaign or automation message with those magic merge fields. Our next update is with data boards. Just like donation, policy, and opportunity boards, we've added matter boards for our legal clients. This allows legal clients to keep track of matters when they close and when stages change. So here, if you're a legal client, you'll be able to access matter boards. If you're integrated with Clio, MyCase, or Practice Panther, the information will automatically flow into the matter board with the matter stage tags and information about that matter. And if you're not integrated, you're able to manually upload through a spreadsheet or add them one by one through the data board. And to add a matter, you can add all of the information manually, or you can add it through a spreadsheet import. And the really cool thing here is that we've added a download of a sample spreadsheet if you want to know how to format that spreadsheet to upload to the Matterboard itself. Next up, we have another data board update with the donations board. In addition to the details that we've already collected around the donation, we've added an extra details category where you can manually type in details about the donation or update through spreadsheet import. This allows to give more information about the donation itself to give it context and for better tracking. Our next update is for our Cetera users. So if Cetera is your broker-dealer, you're now able to use Levitate's AI for content generation. When you go to generate content for emails, blogs, social media, anything like that, you'll get a new disclaimer giving you information on what's allowed and what's not. And this means that the translation feature is also not enabled, but you're allowed to go in and create content for Levitate to send out, to post on social media, to post to blogs. And Cetera users will automatically have this AI turned on. So if you want to go test it out, and check it out in the email campaign feature, create a blog, or create a social media post. At Levitate, we know how important it is to stay on brand with your website and your content. So we've added a new feature that allows you to set brand standards for content generation within Levitate. As a user, you'll have to be an admin or a super admin to make these updates. And to access it, you'll go into settings, choose the admin tab, choose brand settings, and then here, you can fill out some of your brand standards like brand colors, brand fonts, images, and even a description. We also have an auto discover with AI button that allows you to have the brand standards discovered from your website URL, so you don't have to do any manual entry. When these brand standards are set up and saved, they'll apply to content generation with images that we do through the AI content calendar, as well as rebranding and updating existing templates in Levitate. An update that we have around email campaigns is the ability to auto-save those campaigns when you're editing them and working on them. If you're like me, you'll have a million tabs open and forget that you even started an email campaign. And if that tab gets closed or if it reloads, you'll lose all the hard work that you put into that content. Now you don't have to worry about it. We have a new autosave checkbox in Levitate that allows the progress that you've made to be saved so you don't lose any important work on your email campaigns. Our last update is around tag-triggered automations. So instead of rerunning new automations every time you want to send something out, we've added a cooldown period between repeated runs for the same step of an automation to tag-triggered automations. This works inherently with our new client automation, but we've added it to the tag-triggered automation just to give a little more freedom around how it can be used. So we are going to create a tag-triggered automation or update a step. There's a new checkbox that says allow repeated runs, and you can add a cooldown time based on the days. So the lowest amount is 1 day, and then you can up it from there just based on how often you'd like to send that step. That's all I have for February. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to keep up with all of the latest features, updates, and fixes from Levitate. And I'll talk to y'all next month.